Ready to race number 4 here. Santa Ana Park, the home of Sports of Kings, where racing is always at its best. Set to go, race number 4. The favorite, Erica's Champ, and the race is on. Erica's Champ from the outside is Bondi Junction, running by Daryl Wandrus Winho, Kiyok on the outside, and Jaden Love Lolo rushing up is Shine Again. It's now Bondi Junction, followed by Erica's Champ, Wandrus Win, and racing import by Daryl is Hokyok on the outside, and down on the inside is On Your Knees, and rounding the far turn, Bondi Junction, and by Daryl is Erica's Champ, Wandrus Win, On Your Knees. Kiyok is racing in fifth, and Shine Again as they race the last 500. Bondi Junction, Erica's Champ, Wandrus Win. Kiyok racing on the outside, On Your Knees as they race the final corner. Bondi Junction, Erica's Champ, Kiyok is racing in third, and Wandrus Win down on the inside. Last 150. Bondi Junction this time by a length and a half. Erica's Champ, Kiyok, and nearing the finish line. Bondi Junction, Kiyok, Erica's Champ, Jaden Love Lolo. Number 8, Shine Again, Pen Perfecta.